So we are proposing that humanity, or certain individuals within our fold, reconfigure the present corporeal shell, which means we must somehow communicate this intent to the atoms and the intent to change to the molecules of the cell in order to change the hardwired agreement holding the present form of the body design. To do this, we must somehow consciously recalibrate the present spatial agreement maintained by the atom and its various electrons, to reconfigure the primary shell programming utilized by the cell, and the way the atoms and the molecules utilize protoplasm to construct the temporal body. See, our programming is so deep that the atoms and the molecules know exactly what to do to create an entity in the womb of a woman. Because why? Her present template programming does not give the atoms another set of instructions to create another being. Now, is this man talking Twilight Zone or X Factor and all this? No, because anything that the mind can come up with, it can create. If I can say it, it exists. It's just a matter of how do we process it into a reality. How do we get out of this? Is there anything more than the shit that we've been dealing with for so long? Do we constantly have to do the same damn? Ain't you bored yet? I am bored shitless with life. There got to be something moving forward. Now they say, well, evolution takes time. It's a slow process. Bullshit. I believe it's instantaneous. It's where your mind is operating at that time. The evolutionary process of humanity, being that humanity is the creator folded over on itself. That we have instantaneous access to all possibilities. Every possibility, every probability, there is no space between them. There is a space artificially orchestrated between what we are and what we need to be. That orchestration of space is done by the synchronizers. They synchronize your mentality. They synchronize and operate your life so that you cannot envision your life. They do not allow you to use the visionary processing of the brain. So until you understand that who you are as a creator has been locked down into believing that you b-boys, that you are executive producers, and that you are a nun, that you're a grocery clerk, and I'm a this. He said, who are you? My name is so-and-so, and I'm a computer programmer. You are? I'm a truck driver. Just imagine now, they say their names, which didn't belong to them because their mama named them. You don't even own your name, except when you change it. So now you say, my name is this and I am a. You're not what you are when you say that. You are saying what you do. So you become a human doer, like they're saying, not a human being. So you are doing what present humanity has been programmed to do. And until you learn how to undo and to stop that automatic reflex creative process of reinforcing the matrix and the paradigm you're in, you ain't going nowhere. And of course, everything I'm saying to you is questioning. And the necessary part of that is, and the reason why I am using questions as the format for what it is this lecture is about, is because until you begin to analyze the questions that you have about your life, about your people around you, about everything that's going on right now in your perception, if you do not question it and question it methodically and impeccably, you ain't doing shit for the next, 5 to 10 goddamn incarnations. And the reason why they educate you, the reason why they got you entertained, is to keep you from contemplating your escape route. And of course, all the good Christians in the house would say, oh, you're going to hell. Thank you.